Hey Mike, what are we making today?
Well, I'm roasting some garlic because the grocery store was all out of roasted garlic. So what I went and did was they had pre-peeled, already packaged garlic cloves. So I went, I opened them up, I preheated my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I lined up my garlic on the baking sheet, add a generous amount of olive oil to it, and salt and pepper. And you just mix it up. Pop that bad boy in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so these, when they finish cooking, they're going to turn to a nice fine paste. We're going to mash them up and we're going to use that to cook with. Alright. So our garlic's nice and roasted. See, it's browned and not burned. And you're going to go ahead and add that to a bowl. And then, this is getting hot in my hand. And then you're just going to go ahead and start mashing it up.